I have to wait on my CV axle. I ordered that, but anyways, I painted the wheel housing from the inside and got also the steering rods new in already. So this is the other side, and yeah, here see the steering rod, that's all already done. Painted also here the wheel housing from the inside, and yeah, this CV axle was good. I replaced the rubber things, and yeah, the wheel bearings in the new one, and the coilovers. So I started the bodywork, and I have a lot of dents everywhere. So, but I have to get it flush again, but I don't put too much filler on it. So yeah, so it's everywhere a little bit, but not too much. I have a magnet to test it that it doesn't get too thick. So that's already good. So yeah, so the car is down at the front on her own wheels after all that. So the cooling system is in. So that is a rear axle before. Have to replace the bushings here and get rid of all that rust and all that stuff. Doesn't look good. Alright, so I painted the axle. So yeah, for sure I got the rust out of it and put primer on it and painted it, and yeah, the only thing what is left is I have to replace the bushings, this and this, and yeah, here, wait a second, here's a new bushing, has a weird form and it's gonna be a pain to replace that, but I have to do that. Yeah, so here on my workbench I have the brake system like that is before, the condition before, really rusty and yeah, just old, and yeah, I restored it, and then it looks like this one. So this one is already restored, so we got a new cylinder in there and cleaned it up, got the rust out of it and repainted it, yeah, also at the back side. So yeah, so the brake is ready to go in again. Okay, the one side, I have to still to do the other side, but yeah, that looks good now. Alright, so there's a new axle, this a restored axle with the bushings. I have a mess in my garage now. Yeah, I have to clean up.